Politv.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. I'm Husnulhatimah binti Syafiq reporting from Politeknik Sultan Idris Shah, Politv Central Chapter. I am here at the main lecture hall of Politeknik Sultan Idris Shah on the 4th of March 2020, reporting for Choral Speaking Competition, Young and Proud Malaysia, organised by the English unit from the Department of General Studies. This competition is aspired from Polytechnic English Enhancement Program. It aims to encourage and nurture the usage of English language, besides enhancing the skills and capabilities of students to communicate as a second language. 10 teams from a total of 250 participants will form among students who are taking course subject DUE10012 Communication English 1, Semester 1, 3 and 4. Participants are expected to enhance their skills in the global language, and this competition is believed to be a stepping stone for them to speak in public or to express their opinion to others, apart from them being able to work as a team. It is hoped that this competition can be a platform to build confidence among PSIS students to memorize, speak, render and express themselves in English. Today, I am here with Madam Uzairah Muhammad Ali, Program Manager for this program. Good afternoon, Madam. I would like to ask you a few questions, if you may. Okay, first, what are the objectives or outcome that you and your organizing team wish to achieve from the competition?
Right, thank you. So, the objective or outcome that we hope by conducting or organizing these events, basically for them to practice English. Okay, it means that the learning or the lesson is not only in classroom, so they can practice outside of classroom, like conducting this kind of event. They can be more confident to practice means to speak, to communicate among themselves using English.
Alright, for the second question, what do you think the local education institution in Malaysia can improve on in ensuring that graduates nowadays are capable and competent in using English language as their way of communication in the working world?
Alright, thank you. So what I believe is practice. Practice makes perfect. So the syllabus, all the stakeholders already have the important roles, right? They have done the action. They conduct English, mathematics and science English. They have English syllabus in all tertiary levels, like such as in Polytechnic, we have Semester 1, Communication 1, Communication 2, Communication 3. So those are actually to enhance English skills, English communication skills among students. So what the left one is the students itself. The students need to practice English more so they have confidence to speak. That's what I believe. Right.
Thank you, Madam. My report conclude here. This is Husnulhatimah binti Syafiq reporting from Politeknik Sultan Idris Shah, Politv Central Chapter.